We got this very dirty fence. Alright y'all, what's up? It's Precision Pressure Wash. Let me show you what we got today. Alright, so firstly, we got this pretty simple front deck and furniture. So it's going to be the front deck and the furniture up there. And as we come to the back, we got this very dirty fence. If I come around here, you can see just how bad it is. I mean, look at all of this lichen. Stuff's pretty severe there. It's real severe in this corner. You can see all that. There he is. We also got this outside pool deck here with no screen enclosure over the top of it. There's definitely some parts that are pretty dirty on the deck. See right there. As well as over here, you can see mold on the floor.
This is gonna be a nightmare, guys. Show them. We gotta clean this fence and look what's all over it.
Yeah, we got vines growing all throughout the fence here, so it's gonna make it hard to apply the soap to the fence. And wash it off, but
heavy pre-wet because we're definitely gonna get this stuff coated in a downstream mix.
And it's got to get done, so it's gonna be a fun day, y'all. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, we first hit the fence with the downstream, obviously, then any spots, tape through with the 5% to hit it. We'll wash that off, and anything else that's after that, we'll just have to hit it with 5% again. Alright y'all, we're almost done with the fence, and now we're starting to soap down the deck. All right, y'all. Just wrapped up the back. The back's completely done. Now we're moving on to the front deck. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, just wrapped the job up. Took about 3 hours. Let me show you the results. All right, front porch was a little tougher than expected just because we had to get all the cushions on the ground and there wasn't a lot of space in here to begin with, so it was like playing a game of Tetris, but we got it figured out. It's all clean up there. See the railing's white. Then as we get back here to the dirty fence. I mean, look at it now. I feel like every time we have a job and there's a fence involved, I feel like the fence is always the worst for some reason, but always ends up looking clean. As you can see, look at that. I'll come to this corner right here and I'll throw up a before picture because that corner was bad. Come around the back. I won't go on top of the pool deck just because, you know, I don't want to get my dirty feet all over the pool deck, but you can see it. Thing's white now. It's more of like a cream color, actually. I'm not exactly sure what color that is, but I'm not an artist, so. Overall, 3 hours, job complete. Fence, deck, front deck, all looking nice. All right, y'all, we're at the next job. It's a driveway and back pad. We've already put LA's Totally Awesome down on these oil stains. We got the front walkway. And we do have a pad in the back, but it's not big, it's very small, so you'll see it when we get back there to clean. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, just wrapped up the day, wrapped it up with this driveway and back pad. Let me show you the results. So here's the driveway, nice and clean as usual. We know we show quite a bit of driveways, a lot of fences too, but the point of this channel is to really, show you what our work days consist of, what we're doing on a day-to-day basis. And we just like to show that to you guys. I know obviously some parts might be a little repetitive, but that's pressure washing. That's the job. We make sure everything looks good and the customer is happy. And as we swing around the back corner, you see these two back pads that we cleaned. They were painted, and usually we don't hit painted surfaces with the surface cleaner, but they were so worn out as it is. It would have looked better if we hit it with the surface cleaner instead of the turbo nozzle. So we went ahead and we hit it with the surface cleaner, gave it a nice even clean. That's how they look. If y'all enjoyed, as per usual, like, subscribe, leave us a comment. This has been Precision Pressure Wash. Peace out, y'all.